Hello dear traders, it's Petko Alexandru speaking from EA Forex Academy. In this lecture I will teach you how to choose the pair to trade. This is very important, and if you learn this, and I'm sure you will be on the profitable side when you're trading manually. This is very important, it's very easy, but actually few people know to do that, and I can promise you actually that the whole point is that we have the 6 major pairs, right? So for example, when London opens, what do we trade? Which pair we choose to trade? All right, I will remove this line over here, just additional line. I don't know for what reason I have placed it over there. So these lines, as we said already in the previous video, are the overnight range before London is opened. So let's say euro is going out of the range, like you see over here. Okay, it's much stronger than the dollar, and euro is going up. It means euro is going up and dollar is going down, right? So in the same time we see that dollar yen is going up, which means let's have some lines to help us out. So euro is going up at what moment? It's breaking at 15, so that's 3 o'clock in the afternoon with our time, and I will place that line also on the dollar yen. So let's say we are over here. Okay, we see euro is breaking up and we see dollar yen is out already of the range and it's going up. We see that the 221 EMAs are confirming the move up, and I will ask you now which one you will choose. Let's ignore the movement after that. So if we are right here and you have dollar yen and in the same time you have euro dollar, which one would you choose? I want you to just think for a second and choose one for yourself. Okay, probably some of you would say I would choose, oops, sorry, I've removed the line for the overnight range with the euro dollar as well, so it's this one over here. Okay, so some of you would say I would choose euro because not too much is going sideways, then it's very impulsive breakup. Some of you probably will say I will choose euro because dollar yen before that is going very aggressively down, and I mean there are so many reasons that you can find that you would choose dollar yen or you would choose euro dollar. Okay, probably some of you would say I will go with the euro because the recent days euro is very strong, the trend on daily chart is going up, and I will confirm that's true, and it's very good to follow the trend. Let's have it a look quickly. Yes, on daily we have a strong uptrend. All right, let's have a look at the dollar yen. What is the movement there on the daily chart? As you can see, dollar yen is going down. So I would say, and as you know, I prefer the trend as well, that most of you will choose the euro because it's uptrend on daily chart, and dollar yen is strong down movement the recent a week or two. All right, but the right answer, guys, is not euro dollar and it's not dollar yen. The right answer is euro yen. All right, one more time, the right answer is euro yen. Why? Simple. Euro dollar is going up at this moment. This means that euro is stronger against the dollar, and in the same time the dollar is stronger than the yen. Okay, because dollar yen is going up, so we have euro stronger than the dollar and the dollar stronger than the yen. So obviously the best currency at this moment would be euro yen. Okay, euro stronger than the dollar, dollar stronger than the yen, so euro much stronger than the yen. Okay, I just choose these two currencies. With the time you will be able to do with all of the 6 major currencies. If you practice it, it's very easy. but you just need to understand when one pair is stronger than the other. And if you find at the same moment this other pair that is stronger than the third one, then you should go to the first and to the third one. So what I will do now, I will have a look at euro yen. Let's have a look, where is it? I will open a new chart window, I will place it back, I will put the template that we are using for this course, and I will do as well the overnight range there, so you will see what I'm talking about. So let's see, where is the London opening today? It's right here at 10 o'clock, so actually break would be from this point over here, and the low line from the range would be just over here, I believe. Let me check it once again. So that's basically 3 o'clock midnight, and then it's 9 o'clock our time, so 10 o'clock is our time when London is opening. And as you can see, guys, what a movement in euro yen we have over here. All right, from 129.60 to 130.60, simple 100 pips. Let's have a look now what happened with the euro. How many pips we are having on the euro? Basically we are having from 116.70 to 170.10, so this is 40 pips. Dollar yen, we're having, let's say at this moment, if we enter at this moment when we're just choosing which one to trade, if we choose at this moment, we're having from 111.50 to 111.95, so this is less than 50 pips, guys. Even if you entered from the overnight range, this is again less than 60 or just about 60 pips, guys. So you see the difference right here at this movement. This was just before the New York was opened. We had a strong volatility on the euro, and at the same time dollar yen was going up, and the best pair to trade at this moment is not euro dollar, is not dollar yen, but it's euro yen, guys, with a huge movement of 100 pips over there. All right, I hope it's clear. At every moment when you look your screen, as I told you, I have one of my screens always with these pairs in front of me, and at every moment I know which is the best pair to trade. If you learn this, guys, it will be so much easier from now on from you, and you will be always on the right spot, always on the right pair, because there's so many, and you need really to learn which one is the proper one to trade at the moment. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions about it, don't hesitate to ask me. I will explain it further on in the course, so don't worry, you will get used with it and you will make some money out of it. Thank you guys for watching. Trade safe always. Cheers. Bye.